In this video, I will show you how to join and leave groups on Roblox, and if this does help you out today, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials for everything tech and digital related. As always, I really do appreciate the support, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So depending on the platform you do use, the buttons will be the same, they just could be in a different place, but in today's example I'll be showing you how to do this on a PC or laptop. So the first thing you're going to need to do is open up a new browser and come across to roblox.com. And from here, if you're not already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard like so. And then from here, it's actually quite simple to do. What you're going to want to do first is click onto the three lines in the top left hand corner, and then just come down and click onto groups. And then from here, this is going to take you to the groups page. So you can see a list of different groups, so you can just browse through like so. Or if there's a group in particular that you want to join, then you can actually come and search for the group up here. So you can put keywords for the kind of group you're looking for, or if you know the group, a specific group, you can go ahead and put that into the search box. So once you've chosen your group, what you then want to do is go and give that a click. And there's actually two types of groups. So you've got public groups and you've got private groups. So if it's a public group, then what happens is once you click to join the group, you will be accepted straight away. However, if it is a private group, you will need to wait for an admin of that group to actually approve your request. So to actually join the group, what you want to do once you've clicked onto the page is click onto this join group button. And then what's going to happen, it's generally going to ask you to do a quick verification just to prove that you're real and not a bot. And you can see this is a public group because it's just come up at the top there saying successfully joined the group. If it was a private group, then it would say pending and my application would be pending. And you can see the groups you're actually part of, because once you've actually joined the groups, it's actually going to come up in this sidebar on the left hand side. So to actually leave a group, what you can do is click onto the group on the left hand sidebar, and that's going to take you across to the group page. And then again, it's very easy to do. All you want to do is come to these three dots up here in the top right hand corner, go and give that a click, and then click on to leave group. And it's just going to come up with a quick confirmation saying, are you sure you want to leave the group? Just go ahead and click yes. And you'll see that's now left the group. So that's how you do it. I hope you did find that helpful. As I say, if this video did help you out today, then please drop a comment below saying it helped you out, and do consider subscribing to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.